hopenis mixed nuts. These are not the deluxe nuts. These are mixed nuts. What don't they have? They don't have pistachios. Deluxe nuts has pistachios. First, I looked at the image right here to see what is in the image, what nuts they have and what nuts they don't have. They don't have pistachios in the image, and now I'm going to read it. Peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans. Seasoned with sea salt. I don't see salt on it, but I think that it's there. Yeah. I look at it and I think that it's been salted, or it has salted. And sea salt, SEA salt, that's not clear what that is. It's from the sea, like the Dead Sea in Israel. They have a lot of something that's Dead Sea in Israel. You can float in it. And I'll tell you a secret, that this is how you know I was really in the Dead Sea, and I still remember. I was 16 years old when I was in the Dead Sea. Briefly, it was briefly because I had the stinging of the vaginal canal. It was stinging, like a hot stinging feeling while I was floating in the Dead Sea from maybe the salty of the Dead Sea, whatever makes it the Dead Sea, and very salty looking. But I know you can't have that in your mouth. It's worse than ocean water. So, mixed nuts. Should I remove the whole seal, or should I leave it this way, where I can use a bowl and I can pour some out like this into the bowl? I'm God, so I know how I tear the seal, but to my soul, it's like an accident, because even I would say it's an accident because some of this paper here is missing and some of the paper is still here. Like this part is missing and this part is still here. That's an accident I made as the overlord, but the soul says I don't really need the accident. I like it to look neat, but I want it to be clean. I'm thinking that there's less air going in there. Like if someone farted in the air, it wouldn't be going into your nuts. I wanted individual wrapped peanuts, like not wrapped, but like packed individual sachet of peanuts or nuts, mixed nuts. Yes, mixed nuts. And I ended up getting this because they do give you more in one container. It's a lot, and I will eat them, but how to keep them fresh? I want them to be fresh. Does it matter? Because once there's a hole in it, like if I didn't cover it at all with this lid, there would be obviously a freshness problem. It would not be fresh. So it's covered. Should I take off the whole top of the paper top? But it's not deluxe nuts. Are we counting the motions at this point? Because that's illegal. My soul doesn't know what that is for a lifetime. And I want all the money that it is for me to live alone from my age of full height, which would be age 15 onwards. I'm 48 years old now. I want all the money that it is, that I never met Charles Toe in my life, and it's not his fault. And it's my fault is that I'm 15 years old and I live alone because I'm full height. I don't need any kind of assistance with the car anymore. Yeah, well, I wouldn't drive. You can always come and pick me up, but I'm not full height. It's not due to live alone. It's not true. I am due to live alone because I can afford myself at full height. But you should see how much in demand you are, making my emotions in demand because you put interest on the emotions that I don't have the money. And if I had the money, I would be living in other alive, that the interest being the superior founder above myself. He has interest in that. I have the money that is appointed to myself by himself, so that I can move the creation around myself because I do move it more than you do because I'm the first and alive. That's the lever. Who knows that I'm the first and alive? You're not supposed to know who's the first and alive because there are 30 billion of you. So it's not due for you to know who's the first and alive, but I know I'm the first and alive and I need that paid for. And you don't want me to know anything about myself. I really don't agree with you. I think I need to know. And I think I needed to know when I was 15 years old that I didn't have to worry about how I was going to keep up with the Joneses, keep up with the Joneses. And I would like to mention Steph Jones from the varsity softball team at Homestead High School, years 1993, 1992, something like that. That's true that I'm not that good of a softball player. She's better than I am. But I would just like to say, keeping up with Steph Jones, I can't because she plays fast pitch softball varsity, and I never made it to varsity myself.